Currently, we live in a world where every blockchain is an island, isolated and limited by its own rules. But no more. Welcome to the dawn of sovereign chains on MultiversX, where the chains are no longer shackled. Now, what if I told you that the future of blockchain is here and it's about to revolutionize everything? Sovereign chains on MultiversX are not just a step forward, they're a quantum leap into a new era of interoperability, scalability, and flexibility. But what makes sovereign chains such a game changer? 3 words: performance, configurability, and interoperability. Stay tuned to discover how sovereign chains are set to revolutionize the blockchain landscape and why you don't want to miss this. First, let's take a step back and go over what sovereign chains are. Sovereign chains are essentially independent blockchains that operate within the MultiversX ecosystem. Now, unlike traditional blockchains, which are often limited by their overarching network's rules and constraints, sovereign chains offer complete autonomy. This means that each chain can have its own governance, tokenomics, and even consensus mechanisms. Think of it like having your own private island in a vast ocean. You get to set the rules, decide who gets to visit, and manage your resources as you see fit. This level of customization and control is unprecedented in the blockchain world. Now, you might be wondering, why is this such a big deal? Here are a few reasons why sovereign chains on MultiversX are set to revolutionize the blockchain space. First, customization and flexibility. With sovereign chains, developers and businesses can tailor their blockchain to meet specific needs, whether it's adjusting the consensus algorithm for faster transactions or creating unique tokenomics to incentivize user behavior. The possibilities are endless. Second, enhanced security. Now, each sovereign chain operates independently, which means that even if one chain is compromised, the others remain unaffected. This isolation significantly enhances the overall security of the ecosystem. Third, scalability. Traditional blockchains often struggle with scalability issues. Sovereign chains can operate in parallel, allowing the network to handle a much larger volume of transactions without the bottlenecks. Now, with the ability to process transactions at lightning speed, sovereign chains shatter previous records, boasting up to 77,000 transactions per second. That's not just fast, that's groundbreaking. And fourth, the real magic: interoperability. Sovereign chains on MultiversX can communicate with other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana without the need for bridges or wrapping mechanisms. This means assets and data can move freely across ecosystems, unlocking a world of potential. True game-changing technology. Now, next, you may be asking yourself, how is this all possible? The answer lies in the ingenious architecture of MultiversX. At its core, sovereign chains leverage the existing cross-shard transaction and processing model of the MultiversX network. Think of it like a city with super fast highways that connect every neighborhood. Sovereign chains use these highways to move around quickly and easily without needing any special passes or complicated detours. Now, what makes this all work so well? It's like having a secret ingredient in a recipe that makes everything taste better. For sovereign chains, this secret ingredient is its special piece of tech that lets different blockchains talk to each other smoothly. Plus, they've upgraded their engine under the hood to make everything run better. This means that digital money or tokens can travel across all these different blockchains without any hiccups. Now you may be asking yourself how these sovereign chains are different than other solutions, such as subnets on Avalanche, dApp chains on Cosmos, or even layer 2s that are built on top of Ethereum. Besides being much faster and more powerful, there are 2 things that really set sovereign chains apart. First, the setup and bootstrapping costs are a fraction of the other solutions. Utilizing the Gravity Layer restaking contract, chain operators can tap into a pool of tokens to help secure the sovereign chain. So bootstrapping costs are tiny compared to, for example, an AVAX subnet that requires 2,000 Avalanche per subnet node with a minimum of 5 nodes recommended. That is 10,000 AVAX, or roughly $300,000 at current prices. Then you have upkeep costs, and let's just say maintaining a layer 2 on ETH costs over $1 million a year. Sovereign chains are a fraction of that. Second is complete interoperability. Every single sovereign chain allows seamless connectivity. How annoying is it when you have funds on an L2 such as Arbitrum, but want to buy an NFT over here on Matic? You have to bridge the funds from one chain to the other, then do a swap because you don't have the right token, then buy the NFT, which is now stuck over here on Matic. No more. You never have to worry about where your funds are or even what funds you have, because sovereign chains also allow you to pay with any token. A true game changer. Now, for developers, this is a dream come true. The Sovereign Chain SDK offers a best-in-class technological tree that's hyper-scalable, composable, and configurable. It's not just about building a blockchain, it's about unleashing innovation. Even better yet, MultiversX has a $1 million grant program going on. With this, MultiversX propels visions into action, fostering a collaborative ecosystem for DeFi, gaming, payments, you name it. Sovereign chains on MultiversX are not just changing the game, they're truly redefining it. The future is sovereign and it starts now, only on MultiversX.